folks, this video is for the STEP Tool Library. This is to help volunteers learn how to schedule reservations, build orders, and check out and check in tools. So when a patron decides to schedule a reservation to check out a tool, an email will come to the steptoollibrary@gmail.com email. Go ahead and click on that email and it should bring you into the admin page. We are on the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can click on reservations to see any upcoming reservations. So we can see here that this user, Jason Test, has reserved a sheet pad sander, a box fan, and a sewing machine. And they put in their user notes when they can meet us. So you want to go ahead and build the order. Once you click on that, you're going to have items in the reservation and you're going to have a category called added to order. So you can add each item individually, or you can add them all to the order. And once you do this, go ahead and notify the person. Now, this is your opportunity to tell them what time you can meet them, depending on what they provided to you. So say you can meet them 4 p.m. at the Sedona Public Library, and then put the date, send the message. If you would like a more direct way of contacting this person, in the build order page, you can go and click on who this patron is. And in that page, you should have their phone number and their email, and you can go ahead and reach out to them that way as well to coordinate picking up the order. So once you meet them at the library, you're going to first want to make sure that they have physical copies of the waiver and step rules on file. So they should have signed 2 sheets. If there's their first time there, they're going to have to sign them. Once that you have ensured that they have their signatures on file with us, then you're going to go down and click reservations again. You're going to find this order that you built earlier. You can click on build order again, just make sure that you have everything added to the order and then hit check out. So you're with the person, you're checking these tools out to them. Please provide them with any instructions that go along with the tools, and make sure that the tools are in good working condition. And then you're going to go ahead and hit record transaction. So these tools are now checked out to this patron, and their due date is April 24th, 2024. Now, you're going to also be checking in tools. So when you meet with a patron to check tools in, then you are going to go back to your dashboard and you are going to hit items checked out. And within here, you will find what your patron has checked out. You can click on any of these and it will include all of the items in the order. So the person is meeting you to give the tools back. You are going to hit check in. You can, at this point, if they want to renew, say they stop by to renew instead of to check them back in, you can click on the items they want to renew and hit renew. And it will put a comment down there. Say they want to check that item in. Go ahead and hit check in. And it will check in those items. Another thing you can do is you can hit check in all. And it will check in all the items. Note that if you renew them, it will provide a new due date that is exactly 7 days out from the day you are renewing it. So we want to check these all in though. So we're going to hit check all in. Okay. Now you don't see those renewals down there anymore. Make sure the tools are in good working condition and then hit record transaction. And now the tools are all checked in. And if you go to the dashboard and go to items checked out, hopefully they are no longer there. And yep, they are not. So perfect. That is how you schedule reservations, check out tools, and check tools back in.